बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। जी मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी ऑन संडे सितंबर 29 2024 के अखबार में। वी आर हायरिंग सेल्स कोऑर्डिनेटर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल। रिक्वायरमेंट्स मिनिमम ऑफ एन इंटरमीडिएट और बीकॉम डिग्री, प्रोफिशिएंट इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट Office suite, detail oriented with a focus on accuracy, strong organizational and multitasking abilities, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, ability to work collaboratively in a team environment. Job description: in-house sales support to the on-field sales team, updating periodic sales data, effective liaison between sales team accounts, debt and import debt, regular updates on stock status, sharing receivable status to concerned salesperson. Apply now. 034666766565, 034666766565, WhatsApp only. Note: candidate nearby Korangi will be preferred. Well-established company requires sales staff for following sector: sales manager requirements, graduate and masters, at least 3 to 5 years of sales experience, excellent communication, negotiation and sales skills, highly motivated and target driven with a proven track record in sales, strong business sense and industry expertise, confident and fluent in communication, achievement, sales target, sales executive requirements, graduate and intermediate experience of at least 3 years, frequently customer visits, confident and fluent in communication, excellent communication, negotiation and sales skills, achievement, sales target. Apply now. Send CV on WhatsApp 032032487005, 032032487005. Required experienced salesman of FMCGs, especially toothbrush products to MTS and area marts. WhatsApp your CV at 0321282554, 0321282554. We looking for marketing executive, 2 years experience, MBA/BBA, excellent communication and interpersonal skills. WhatsApp 0335 22022141, 0335 22022141. Email maxis76@gmail.com, maxis maxis76@gmail.com. टीचर्स की जॉब है या रिनाउंड स्कूल इन मॉडल कॉलोनी, रिक्वायर्स एडमिन ऑफिसर मेल, प्रेफरेबली रिटायर्ड आर्मी पर्सन और सिविलियन, एज लिमिट 55, मास्टर/ग्रेजुएट, 3 to 5 years relevant administrative experience of a well reputed school, computer literate, compatible salary along with medical coverage is offered. Eligible candidates having good managerial skills may send their CVs at careers@bass.edu.pk or walk in with their CVs between 9 AM to 1 PM before Saturday 5th October 2024. Contact number 3449321425, 3449321425. An English medium school requires qualified and experienced female science teachers for 3 to 8 Cambridge system classes and English and Pakistan studies. Teachers male/female for 9 and 10 metric system classes and also requires male/female PTI English fluent and computer skilled candidates are preferable. Contact Bright Career School, A for Apple, /125 to 126 Zamanabad area, 36/B Landi number 4, Karachi. Email bcscampus1@gmail.com. Phone number 0213503310, 0213503310 and 021350413540, 021350 4135 cell and WhatsApp number 032829515656 032829515656. FARB FARB Cambridge International is seeking well qualified and experienced professionals for the following positions: Montessori directresses, female teachers for English, mathematics, science and geography, senior grades. Requirements: must be fluent in English, must have a bachelor's degree, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है ग्रेजुएट. वॉक इन इंटरव्यूज़ विल बी कंडक्टेड एट 117 शरफाबाद, बहादराबाद, आलमगीर रोड 0213494696, 0213494696 एंड 0332769190, 0332769190. कोरंगी जमान टाउन स्कूल नीड्स अ टीचर फॉर द कंप्यूटर कोर्स. सैलरी 40,000. is equal to interested candidates send their CV to 0316112030, 0316112030 on WhatsApp. MSc, BSc and Montessori directors required in reputed school in site area. Salary 20,000. Contact number 0300260265, 0300260265. Required English, Physics, Chemistry, Maths teacher for secondary classes. Contact 0323348333, 0323348333. Teachers required for regular and online tuitions. Teachers may send their CV on WhatsApp. City Tuitions 032047333143, 032047333143. The educators Rafayam Advanced Campus requires teachers for biology, chemistry, physics, maths, computer, English, Urdu, PST, Sindhi. Also required primary and preschool teachers. Bring CV at the educators Rafayam Advanced Campus, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है ऑपोजिट रफायाम पार्क, ब्रैकेट क्लोज मलीर हॉल्ट. कॉन्टैक्ट 0335103919, 0335103919. ईमेल educators.rasii_seniorwing@yahoo.com, rasii_seniorwing@yahoo.com. The King's School Campus 1 requires biology science teacher BS/MSc. Number 2 lady chemistry science teacher BS/MSc. Number 3 physical training instructor PTI. Campus 2 requires English teacher. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है primary/secondary ब्रैकेट क्लोज. Contact campus 1 राबिया विलास नियर कराची यूनिवर्सिटी, 34978288. Campus 2 राबिया Petal Asfahani Road near Paradise. Home 34647433, 34647433, 346 and 34647434, 34647434. WhatsApp 0300025888, 0300025888. Email kingschool786@gmail.com, kingschool786@gmail.com. Urgently required experienced trained science graduate lady teacher of all subjects for pre-primary, primary and secondary class. Is also required Montessori directress/computer teacher/sports teacher. Male/female must be fluent in English with good teaching background. Contact number 0334391170, 0334391170 /032192774777, 032192774777. Email varsis_es@hotmail.com. Address 75P, P for Pakistan, Block 6, PCHS कराची. अच्छा जी, अब ये पाकिस्तान सिक्योरिटी प्रिंटिंग कॉरपोरेशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की जॉब है. वी आर हायरिंग पाकिस्तान प्रिंटिंग कॉरपोरेशन. PSPC इज़ अ होली ओन्ड. ये मैं आप लोगों को जॉब बता देती हूँ. PSPC इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम हाई पोटेंशियल टैलेंटेड पाकिस्तानी नेशनल्स possessing Requisite qualification and experience for the following positions on regular basis. Senior Manager Quality and Compliance experience, at least 10 years experience with 3 years in supervisory middle level. Capacity education, a minimum of 16 years of education in chemistry, chemical engineering or a related discipline from reputed university recognized by Higher Education Commission HEC with a valid Pakistani Engineering Council registration certificate where applicable. Candidates holding a master's degree will be given preference. Certifications such as Certified Quality Assurance Professional, CQAP, NEBOSH, Lean Six Sigma, Certified Lead Auditor will be considered as an added advantage in case the degree is obtained from a foreign university. The shortlisted candidates shall be required to submit the equivalence certificate from Higher Education Commission HEC at the time of interview. Age maximum 50 years as on the last date of submission of application to PSPC. Manager IT experience, at least 7 years with 2 years in supervisory role in IT function. Tier 1 ERP operation/implementation exposure will be an added advantage. Education, bachelor's or master's degree in IT, computer systems, computer engineering, MIS or a related field from reputed university recognized by Higher Education Commission HEC with at least 16 years of education and a valid Pakistan Engineering Council registration certificate ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है where applicable in case the degree is obtained from a foreign university. The shortlisted candidates shall be required to submit the equivalence certificate from Higher Education Commission HEC at the time of interview. At age maximum 35 years as on the last date of submission of application. Note: A. The corporation is an equal opportunity employer. B. A market-based package as per corporation's policy will be offered. C. Misinformation using influence or forwarding recommendation will render applicant disqualified. D. Age limit may be relaxed by 3 years for the candidates from ex-FATA, Gilgit, Baltistan, Balochistan and Azad, Jammu and Kashmir. The applications in the prescribed format available at website along with detailed CV, certified copies of all educational credentials, CNIC experience certificates and a recent passport size photograph should be uploaded at our website https://www.pspc.gov.pk/career/ or posted at address given below. Please clearly mark the envelope with the position applied for. Latest by October 14, 2024. Director Human Resources, Pakistan Security Printing Corporation, Jinnah Avenue, Malir Halt, कराची. अच्छा जी, IBA की जॉब आ गई है. करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी, IBA इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कराची. फैकल्टी पोजीशन हेल्थ केयर मैनेजमेंट, Institute of Business Administration, IBA Karachi, for its School of Business Studies. SPS is seeking a dedicated and experienced individual to join our full-time faculty as an assistant professor or associate professor for its upcoming MS Healthcare Management Program. Responsibilities: design and manage the MS Healthcare Management Program at IBA SPS. Conduct and publish high quality research in healthcare management. Teach and mentor students in the MS Healthcare Management Program. Contribute to the administration and coordination of academic programs. Application process: interested candidates must apply online within 15 days from the publication date of this advertisement. The IBA Karachi is an equal Opportunity employer and all applications are assessed based on merit. Differently abled individuals are also encouraged to apply. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for an interview. Women are encouraged to apply. For detailed job description and eligibility criteria, please visit http://careers.iba.edu.pk and drop your CV at careers@iba.edu.pk. careers@iba.edu.pk. Career opportunity. Our client Government Holdings Private Limited, GHPL, one of the largest oil and gas companies in Pakistan, is seeking to induct dynamic and self-motivated professionals for the following positions. Serial number 1 position title: number 1 manager drilling, number of post 1. Number 2 deputy manager internal audit 1, number of post. Number 3 deputy manager joint ventures commercial, number of post 1. Number 4 analyst new ventures commercial, number of post 1. Details of the above positions are posted on our website www.siddharthhaider.com.pk/careers. Interested candidates may apply online by October 13th, 2024. Director Human Resource Consulting, Siddharth Haider Murshid Associates PVT Ltd. Management Consultants, Beaumont Plaza, Beaumont Road, Karachi. Email human.resource@siddharthhaider.com.pk, human.resource@siddharthhaider.com.pk। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।